say to you, I've just bought myself a brand new YAMAHA F25 long shaft outboard. So I'm from the Bay of Islands up in the North Island, which is in New Zealand, and I bought this outboard from Auckland, and I had to transport it from Auckland up to Bay of Islands, which is 3 hours north of Auckland. And at the time I had no idea on how big this box was for a long shaft, and so this is one of my questions. So this is the reason I put this video together, just to answer some questions that you might have and I definitely had.
So this box is 800 millimeters wide by 1620 millimeters long and 540 millimeters tall. So just a handy hint if you're trying to get it home from the dealer, that's how big the box is.
So as I was doing the unboxing, the skies decided to absolutely open up, and it pretty much destroyed the rest of the afternoon. So I took the opportunity to build myself an outboard stand. I got myself some steel, some 75 by 20, and I found a plan on the interwebs, made myself up a frame. I set the outboard stand vertical poles at 12 degrees to match the transom mounts, and pretty much centered the weight. So one thing I definitely recommend, casters. Man, these casters were a dream. Obviously the outboard weighs 70 odd kilo, and having them on casters, I can just spin this thing around easy as. So if you've got them, I would recommend them. So this took just under 1 litre of Yamaloo when I bought it from the Yamaha dealer. Obviously they took it out of the box and they did a pre-inspection. Obviously this involves filling it with oil, running it up to temp, checking everything. So when I bought it from them, I asked if we could just drain the engine oil, as I was going to be storing this outboard for a couple of months and I didn't want it to be laying down with all that oil in it.
first engine start. So I just wanted to add here that I actually did pre-prime the fuel line. Just didn't happen to turn the camera on, so my apologies for that. So yep, filled the fuel line up easy as. Had a bit of a moment, I forgot to add some throttle, so you'll see in a second. Here I go, oh, there it is, turn that, got the compression going, and boom, away she went. Well, very impressed. It's a very, very quiet motor. Like, I heard all the reviews, but that is quiet. So something else I noticed too is on the transom, the sticker. Obviously it says Yamaha F25. This is the long shaft, so the L means the long. But for example, on the sticker on the top, this is a Z series 150, and the Q represents the date of manufacture. So I noticed when I checked the oil, there was a sticker right next to the dipstick, and sure enough, the date of manufacture. So thanks for watching the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Pretty much what this outboard's going to go on is I bought myself a Whaley 370. So that's going to be the power unit for that. Videos are coming of that unboxing. That's coming within the next 2 weeks, that hull. So please stay tuned and give us a like and subscribe. Cheers.